Welcome to At the Movies with Anda Sneezeweed.
And me, Sharon Sneezeweed.
Yeah. In today's review, we'll be reviewing The Page Master. It stars Macaulay Culkin and Christopher Lloyd.
Yep, Mr. Clipboard.
That didn't make any sense, but thank you. So let's start watching the movie. Now, I guess. This film is great. It also stars Whoopi Goldberg. I didn't know that. They didn't put her name on it.
I don't know who that is.
I don't really know who that is. I heard her name before.
The X Factor.
X Factor.
External organs. Yeah.
Bleeding. Death.
That's what I get from the beginning of this movie.
Death. I want to cry and vomit.
David Kirshner and David Caskey. Who named their kids David?
Apparently them. Apparently their parents. I don't know.
Macaulay,
I really don't know.
Macaulay Culkin.
You can't even spell it. It's just a vowel. That's the entire name.
Macaulay Culkin.
It's just a vowel. So Macaulay Culkin apparently is playing a midget Rick Moranis.
Like
and
I do.
Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
Like I do. I mean, just being honest. Yeah.
To be honest, I mean...
To be honest,
TBH.
I shrunk the kids.
Our kids are dead.
Mama's dead.
Okay, so this Rick Moranis midget, whatever you want to call him, Macaulay Culkin. So he has this bike, and it's quite possibly the nerdiest thing ever. It's just the vehicle manifestation of a traffic lady that works at a preschool for the deaf and blind. Apparently this is the only library open in the entire town, and no one's in it.
And Christopher Lloyd is the library.
I don't know what's happening. It's completely empty.
What kind of literature?
I guess it was the only library that happened, because he could have gone any other one.
What kind of, what happened? This is like literature montricide or something. Like
Moby Dick. His voice echoes very well for a kid about the size of a peanut.
Size of a Rick Moranis.
The size of a midget Rick Moranis.
Size of a midget Canadian. Oh wait, that's Rick Moranis.
The painting is melting and it looks like cheese fondue.
Looks like Jane Fonda.
That too. Are we just not going to have English accents anymore? Are we just... Is that never... I just thought because he has a sword and thing we would do that, but we apparently just
This is not Monty Python. You're from Kentucky. I'm from a ditch in Kentucky. Why do we have English accents? You are not Madonna. Mama?
To turn in the telephone booth. To turn. Apparently Whoopi Goldberg is playing a book version of Wanda from The Fairly Odd Parents. And I don't yawn when I'm talking. Anus copter. You mustn't judge a book by its cover. Says a book.
Or judge a sage by its page.
Yeah. Wow, you sure have been ranting a lot lately.
What, do you not just want me to sit? No,
you're at the wrong spot. Yeah.
Long John Silver's.
Excellent recovery. Jeremiah! I got a real zinger here. Why couldn't the 11-year-old get into the pirate movie?
Why?
Because it was rated R. Does your back hurt?
It's alright.
Does your back hurt? Do you need some children's Tylenol?
Oh, no, okay. Alright, no. It's just, okay, no. Just, I can't do these anymore.
Can't do them?
I can't do these reviews
Well,
anymore.
who's gonna do it with me?
I'm gonna go outside and talk about how I'm not gonna do these with you anymore.